This is the what's it called? Oh my god. This is the, what's it called? It's like a 2-in-1 water dispenser. So you can see it's nice water in there, fresh water, and it's also got dry food. So it's Wi-Fi connected, and I just feed my cat like this, and yeah, I think she likes it. And there's a bit more left. She's gonna probably eat that now. Yeah, that's what she always does. Look how fat she is. I don't know if I can say that on here, but pretty fat. Okay, so I'm actually using 8K footage for whatever reason. That's how it looks. And yeah, I was just gonna show you guys that I used a chainsaw on this to cut all of these trees down, and that's the aftermath. So yeah, I'm gonna start showcasing some of the actual photos and a few snapshots. Tree, berry, what's next? Oh yeah, another berry. That's a tree. That's a moon. That's a closer moon. That's a clock.